came. Hi guys, my name is Cheryl. I've been interested in getting a Causebox for a while, and I was very lucky that this was actually ordered for me for my birthday as a birthday present for me. So I thought it would be fun to share with you guys to see what exactly I got. I know of 2 items that came in. The other 4 will be a surprise, but I have ideas, or I know of some options that may be coming my way. So before I go ahead and open this, I'm just going to say what I was hoping to get. I was hoping to get the Bath and Waffle bathrobe versus the towel set, because I really want a new bathrobe. Mine is kind of tattered, it's a little bit on the older side. I'm also either getting the Milky Way lantern or the Tease Tea 3-in-1 fruit tumbler. The lantern looks okay. I kind of feel like if I was 13, it would be something I like, but 35-year-old me is actually preferring to get the tea tumbler. The other option I'm also going to be getting is either the De-Stress Muscle Gel, a crisscross cup, which is a bracelet, or something called the Volum Love Scrub. Now, I have lots of scrubs, I've got enough bracelets. I'm kind of hoping for the muscle gel, but I'll be happy with anything that comes in. The last option, which may be coming my way, is either the Basil Grow Kit or the Green Co reusable facial pads. Now, I'm kind of hoping I don't get the facial pads because I already have Magic Eraser and I already have a PMD for cleaning my face. I don't really think I'll get a lot of use out of these cleaning pads, but again, it's a present, so I'll be happy with whatever comes my way. So, let's get started and open up this Causebox. Oh, I opened this up. Oh, you can really smell something in here. Oh no, some papers fell out. Well, here's the box. Super fun. I will read these later, but I did also get a little magazine. There's some care instructions for either your waffle bathrobe or your towel set. And finally, a little advertisement for Mercado tote. So if I'm interested, I'll look at that later. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, something else dropped here. Cute little postcard. Yes, that's very fun. All right, first option. I think I got the bathrobe. Ah, I got the towel set. I don't know why I thought it was the bathrobe, but that's okay. So my first impressions, it looks like they're the charcoal color. It comes with 2 larger size options, and it also comes with 2 smaller ones. The color's really pretty. Oh, I was really hoping for that bathrobe. Oh well, that's okay. It's a birthday present, so I'm going to enjoy it. It feels nice and soft. There's the label, says it's Bath-in, made in India. Now, I did read prior to this that you can't put these in the dryer or they will shrink, so that will be noted. Scented. All right, on to the next item. I got the basil, so that's good. I'm glad I didn't get the facial rounds because I don't think I have a use for them. So this will be fun. Here's what it looks like. So yeah, that's very fun. There's more, let's check it out. I'm very happy to see this. I'm getting the Tease Tea Tumbler. So you can see that. Oh, I'm very, very happy that I got that. That's great. Ooh, it's so nice. Comes with a little neoprene sleeve. Oh, this is very nice. Right on, right on. Oh, I'm very happy about that. Looks like it's very, very secure. I'll definitely test this out first, of course, but it feels really great. Oh, I am very excited about this one. This just made my whole box for me. This is a great birthday present. This all on its own. Very cool. Let's see what else I got. And I got the de-stress muscle gel. There you go. So let's just do a quick recap. I was hoping for the bathrobe and instead I got a bunch of towels. All right, no problem there, that's fine. That's one thing I did not get. However, the other ones were right on point. I didn't want the rounds. I got my basil, so I'm very happy with that. I got my Tease Tea Tumbler, so I'm very happy with that. And finally, I got the aromatherapy muscle gel, so I'm very happy with that as well. I got 3 out of the possible 4 items coming my way that I was hoping for, and I got them. So I think that's a success for me. And the other 2 items that I got were things that were in everyone's box, so this is not a surprise for anyone else. So I also got face serum brightening. I'm not saying that. Got serum, face brightening. So that's fine. Another face product for me to use. And this came in everyone's box as well. It's a little bamboo set. So I got a little cutting board. I think it's supposed to be meant as a cheese board, but you can use that as a cutting board apparently. You get some tongs and a little spatula. So that's great too. So this was a great birthday present for me. Very happy with the items in my box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.